Stop by this Saturday, 11 to 1, 2109 Shore Drive, Edgewater, Maryland. And this house just went on the market like 3 hours ago. 2109 Shore Drive. And I'm getting ready to do an open house on Saturday. We're gonna have beer, burger, hot dogs. It went through an HGTV transformation, this house did, just in the past week. Look at these hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless appliances. Look at the backsplash. This house is priced under $250,000. It is move-in ready, no carpet. This house is ready to go, guys. So again, 2109 Shore Drive, Edgewater, Maryland. I'm getting ready to drop 80 of these off to the neighbors. And right there, guess the final price, win a 55-inch 4K TV. This is Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group at eXp Realty. I'll see you Saturday.